Hello, anyone in there?
Extraordinary footage has shown the moment rescue crews in the Westpac Lifesaver rescue helicopter found a woman trapped in rising floodwaters near Taree. The rescue unfolded after her son raised the alarm, prompting a swift aerial response where she was found and winched to safety.
Hello, anyone in there? Hello? Ooh. Stay there for a second.
Oh my God!
It came as New South Wales' flood crisis deepens, with the death toll rising to 4 today, May 23rd, after a man in his 70s was found in a submerged car at Nana Glen. Emergency services remain on high alert, with communities isolated and record rainfall continuing across the state.